Hi and hello everyone. Welcome to Learn Tamil with Jackson. So in this video, we're gonna learn some important body parts. That means our human body parts. So I'm gonna teach you how to pronounce from English to Tamil. So let's begin the session from the basic body parts that consist in our head. So I'm gonna teach you how to pronounce the head from English to Tamil. So let's begin with the head. If you want to say head in Tamil, that means our head. The whole head means T-H-A-L-A-I, Talai. So this Talai means head in English and you have to pronounce like T-H-A-L-A-I, Talai, Talai. So Talai means head in English. And by the same way, if you want to say mouth, so this mouth, and you have to pronounce like V-A-A-I, boy, boy. So this boy means mouth in English, and you have to pronounce like boy in Tamil. And if you want to say teeth, so this teeth inside the mouth, so this teeth will be pronounced as pal, P-A-A-L, pal. It's not a pal, it's a pal. It's simply pronounced as pal. So this pal means teeth in English. So this tongue represents naku. So one of the basic important parts inside our mouth is a tongue, which we can taste. So this tongue means Naku. So you have to pronounce like N-A-A-K-U. Na-ku. Na-ku. So na plus ku will combine together form chunk in Tamil. So you have to pronounce like Naku. Naku. So this Naku means chunk in Tamil. And by the same way, you might have long hair or short hair, whatever you may. And you have to pronounce this hair name in Tamil as Mudi, M-U-D-I, Mudi. So this Mudi means hair in Tamil, and you have to pronounce like M-U-D-I, Mudi. It's simply pronounced as Mudi, M-U-D-I, Mudi. So this Mudi means hair in Tamil. So let's start from the beginning. Talai, head. Boy, mouth, and pal, teeth, and naku, chunk, and mudi, hair. So let's look for one more examples. So I'll tell you. And by the same way, if you want to say hand in Tamil, and you have to pronounce like K-A-I, Kai, and you have to pronounce like Kai. So this Kai represents hand in Tamil. And by the same, if you want to say leg, so this leg represents, so this leg will be pronounced as Kaal, K-A-A-L, Kaal. So this Kaal means leg in Tamil, and you have to pronounce like Kaal. You might have pronounced the same pronunciation like call, I will call you. So the same pronunciation will be applicable to the leg in Tamil, and you have to pronounce like call. If you say call in Tamil, that means leg or important body parts in Tamil. And by the same way, if you want to say neck, so this neck will be pronounced as Kaluthu, K-A-L-U-T-H-U, Kaluthu. So this Kaluthu will be presented as neck in English, and it will be pronounced as Kaluthu in Tamil. So kalutu means neck. That means your neck, this part will be pronounced as kalutu. Kaluthu. Kalutu. And you have to pronounce like kalutu. Kalutu. So the kalutu means neck in Tamil. And I'll show you one more examples. The main body part called our stomach. So I actually have to pronounce the stomach in Tamil. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. Where? So if you want to say stomach in Tamil, you have to pronounce like V-A-I-R-U. Vairu. So it should be pronounced like Vai-R-U. Ru. Vai plus Ru. Vairu. And you have to pronounce like Vairu. Vairu. So you have to pronounce so fast like Vairu. Vairu. So this Vairu means stomach. Your important body parts, the stomach will be pronounced as Vairu in Tamil, and that means stomach in English. So let's pronounce from the beginning. Thalai, head. Vai, mouth. Pal, teeth. Naku, tongue. Mudi, hair. Kai, hand. Kal, leg. Kalutu, neck. Vairu, stomach. Well, let's look for some more examples of our body parts. Let's start with the shoulder. So the shoulder will be pronounced as M-U-T-H-U-K-U. So it should be pronounced like Muduhu. 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 So Muduhu means shoulder in Tamil. And by the same way, knee, that's under our legs. So this knee represents M-U-T-T-U, Muttu. So you should pronounce like Muttu. So this Muttu means knee in Tamil. And by the same way, this chest, that's under our neck, and it should be pronounced like M-A-A-R-B-U, Marbu. So you should pronounce like Marbu in Tamil. M-A-A-R-B-U, Marbu. And by the same way, chin, that's under our head, and it should be pronounced like N-A-A-D-I, Nadi. And by the same way, forehead. So this forehead should be pronounced like N-E-T-R-I, Netri, or else N-E-T-H-I, Neti. Either Netri or Neti should be pronounced for the forehead in Tamil. Muduhu, shoulder. Knee, Muttu. Chest, Marbu. Chin, Nadi. Forehead, Netri or Neti. Hope you guys have pronounced along with me. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. Until then, see you in the next video. Bye.